Nathan is 10 weeks old, and what you're about to see is his first introduction to one of the most fundamental movement patterns in human development, rolling. Mum starts by guiding him through the movement passively. Arm above the head, knee bent and rotated, she's teaching his body the pathway before his brain can do it independently. And there it is. Nathan initiates the roll back himself. That's not mum, that's him. He pauses on his side, processing. His nervous system is taking notes right now. A gentle nudge to complete it, then the celebration. Belly rubs, a stroke of the nose, arms lifted. Every small win gets acknowledged. That's not just affection, that's reinforcement. Second rep, same guided pathway onto his front, but this time Nathan's already resisting because his body wants to practice what it just learned. That resistance, that's a good sign. He's not frustrated, he's motivated. Here the camera angle shifts. Now you can really see what's happening. Nathan is working hard. Arms and legs driving for momentum, arching his back. Every movement is deliberate. Mum holds back, letting him struggle, letting him learn. This is where the real development happens. Not in the assisted rep, but in the fight to do it himself. He's almost there, and Mum gives the gentlest of nudge onto the knee to finish the rotation. Hard work is rewarded, that matters. His brain just connected effort with a positive outcome. 10 weeks old, rolling with purpose. It starts earlier than you think.